Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, October the 14th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the tectonic, Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. And we have one of these binary puzzle. Let me start with this one because this one has 25 pretty digits. And this will be number 72701. All right. And it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, Hano, Dano. Double one, Hano, Dano. Double one, Hano, Dano. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, Hano, Dano. Double one, Hano, Dano. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one. Here no. There no. Double O. Here one. There one. Double one. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O. Here one. There one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one. There one. Double one. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have a first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then. A double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then, yeah. We have here 4 ones, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not that I one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Yeah. I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5, the 5th O there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And we have here 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. Very quick to solve this one. But we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.